Alright you guys, welcome back to another one. So today's video you're going to learn how to make strike anywhere Fatwood matches. You ready? Let's get started. So pretty much we're going to be batoning our Fatwood into tiny little slivers. The thinner the better, but we don't want to make sure that they're not too thin. Just about like so. And then once you're all done, however many you need, you can also make even longer ones if you have longer Fatwood to begin with, just like so. So we're going to need strike anywhere matches, Gorilla duct tape, and you're gonna want to cut off about an inch and a half of a piece, not even very much. And then from there, you pretty much will need to cut very thin little pieces, little slivers that are gonna be used to wrap around, just about like so. And then from there, it's pretty much just wrap it around there, keep it on there with one on the top, and then you're gonna need another one on the bottom. You want to make sure you have enough so it wraps around. And the duct tape is gonna be flammable, so it will burn. And it will act like an accelerant to keep the Fatwood lit as well. So once you get it pretty much lit, it's good to go. That process till you have however many you need, or you can also keep them in a tin can. And then from there, you pretty much will just light them. And also the real key is to finding like a sandpaper like substance to strike it against, because they're not really always strike anywhere. That's how you make strike anywhere Fatwood matches.